Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Magellan Chairs Outdoor is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable seating options available for your patio, deck, or backyard, offering a perfect blend of style, durability, and relaxation for any outdoor enthusiast looking to elevate their al fresco experience and create a welcoming space for gatherings or quiet moments. Number 5. Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs. Experience unparalleled comfort with these zero-gravity chairs. They smoothly recline to an ergonomic position, perfectly contouring to your body. Take relaxation wherever you go. Their lightweight and foldable design makes them ideal for the park, beach, or any outdoor adventure. Keep your essentials close at hand with the detachable tray. It features holders for drinks, your phone, and even a tablet. Enjoy lasting quality with a robust construction. These chairs have a high weight capacity and are made with durable, low-wear fabric. Customize your comfort with the removable, padded headrest. Find the perfect angle for ultimate relaxation. Whether you're lounging at home or enjoying an event, these chairs offer the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with its zero-gravity recline. If you're looking for a chair that offers a weightless feel and easy portability for various outdoor activities, this is a great choice. Its convenient tray keeps your essentials within reach, making it perfect for beach trips or park outings. What people say. Easy to use, very comfortable, love the attachable tray for phone, drinks, book, etc. Super comfy reclining outdoor chairs. I'm buying them again after my original pair lasted 10 years. Easy to clean, durable, mine did not fade in the sun. Zero assembly required BC, they're already put together. We pulled them straight out of the box and were able to enjoy them that evening and didn't have to deal with a ton of plastic trash or get out the scissors or any other tools. Number 4. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair. Introducing the Freestyle Rocker from GCI Outdoor. It's your perfect companion for relaxing by the campfire or enjoying the sidelines. Easy to carry and set up, it lets you unwind in comfort wherever you go. Get a front row seat to all your favorite events, from sports games to backyard BBQs. This chair is ready for anything, offering built-in beverage holders and excellent back support for more outdoor enjoyment. Experience smooth rocking on any surface thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology. It gently rocks on flat, hard, or soft terrain, providing a unique and comfortable experience. Built with a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 250 pounds, this chair is designed for longevity. The durable mesh backing ensures great airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable. Setting up is a breeze with its easy fold technology. Simply unfold it and you're ready to relax. Packing up is just as quick, making it convenient for any adventure. When folded, it's incredibly compact, measuring just 4.9 inches wide. Despite its sturdy build, it weighs only 11.8 pounds, making it easy to transport to any destination. What we like. Enjoy a gentle rocking experience on any terrain with its innovative spring-action technology. If you love the idea of a portable chair that offers a soothing rocking motion, this is for you. It's ideal for camping, sporting events, or simply relaxing in your backyard, providing comfort wherever you go. What people say. It rocks incredibly smooth and feels solid and well-made. There's no awkward jerking or tipping, just an easy, relaxing motion that makes you want to sit longer than you planned. Assembly was straightforward, and once set up, it feels sturdy and comfortable for extended sitting. The rocking feature really sets this apart from standard folding chairs, it's genuinely relaxing, not gimmicky. They are sturdy, the size is perfect, they are easy to carry, and the color is good. No noise when rocking that we have noticed yet. Number 3. Amazon Basics Outdoor TEXTILENE Zero Gravity Folding Lounge Chair Set. Introducing a set of 2 adjustable zero-gravity chairs designed for ultimate comfort. Experience a weightless feel that lets you truly unwind outdoors. Each chair comes with a removable headrest for personalized support and a detachable side table featuring a cup holder. You'll also receive an extra freestanding side table with 2 cup holders for even more convenience. Easily transition between sitting upright and reclining with our lockable mechanism. The contoured armrests are designed to provide ergonomic support, ensuring maximum comfort. These chairs are constructed with a durable steel frame and a double bungee support system. The weather-resistant TEXTILENE fabric is securely attached, promising longevity and resilience. Enjoy ample space and support with a generous weight capacity of 300 pounds per chair. These chairs are built to accommodate you comfortably for years to come. The elegant beige color complements any outdoor setting, adding a touch of style to your patio or backyard. What we like. Achieve a feeling of weightlessness with its adjustable zero-gravity recline. If you desire a comfortable and durable outdoor seating solution, this set is a strong contender. The included side table adds significant convenience, making it perfect for those who enjoy extended relaxation sessions in their garden or patio. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and sturdy. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The fabric is durable and easy to clean. Number 2. Alpha Camp Heavy Duty Camping Chair 500 pounds. Tired of chairs that can't handle your weight? This camping chair features a robust steel frame and reinforced design, supporting up to 500 pounds. Its durable, anti-rust coating ensures it will last through every season. Designed with extra-wide seating and a fully padded backrest, this chair offers unparalleled comfort. You'll feel like you're sitting on a sofa, even when you're miles from home. Keep your beverages chilled and your essentials close at hand. It includes a built-in cooler bag, a spacious cup holder, and a convenient side pocket for your phone or snacks. Set up and pack away in seconds, no tools required. Its foldable design and included carry bag with a shoulder strap make it easy to take anywhere. Perfect for camping, fishing, or simply relaxing outdoors. Made with tear-resistant Oxford fabric, this chair is built for comfort and durability, ready for years of adventures. What we like. This chair offers exceptional stability and support with its impressive 500 pounds weight capacity. If you're a larger individual or simply prioritize robust construction and ample space, this is the chair for you. Its integrated cooler bag is a fantastic bonus for keeping drinks cold during camping trips or tailgating events. What people say. Sturdy with cup holder and a storage pouch. Very sturdy. Should be great in any outdoor situation. Good storage options for cooled goods, phones or books. We bought these to use at the park, the drive-in movies, racetrack and sitting by the river. Very comfortable, easy to fold and store in the trunk. Number 1. Best Choice Products Oversized Zero Gravity Chair. Experience unparalleled relaxation with our oversized padded chair. Its extra-wide seating and adjustable headrest provide a custom fit for maximum comfort. Enjoy hours of lounging in this generously padded seat, designed with a 300-pound capacity for robust support. It's the perfect spot to unwind. Take your comfort anywhere. This chair features a lightweight, folding design, making it ideal for the beach, park, or backyard gatherings. Keep everything you need within reach with the detachable side tray. It includes cup holders, a phone mount, and a tablet holder for your convenience. Effortlessly transition to a soothing zero-gravity position with our smooth reclining system. Elastic supports ensure added comfort and stability as you relax. Crafted with weather-resistant polyester mesh, this chair offers both durability and breathability. Its blue color adds a touch of style to your outdoor space. What we like. Sink into plush comfort with its extra-wide, thickly padded seat. If you prioritize maximum comfort and a luxurious lounging experience, this oversized recliner is an excellent option. It's perfect for anyone who wants to relax for hours in their backyard or at the beach, offering a premium feel. What people say. It is really easy to operate, very comfortable, and reasonably priced. Super lightweight but feels sturdy at the same time. It's larger and wider than I expected, which makes it more comfy. The 160 degrees maximum reclining angle is actually better than the one we bought that advertised theirs would extend to 170 degrees. So, sleeping on this chair is better as far as feeling more like sleeping on a camping cot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.